we want to multiply these two polynomials. We got a trinomial times a trinomial. So we're not able to use the FOIL method exactly, but what we do is similar to the FOIL method, works the same way. What we'll do is we'll start with the first term in this polynomial, the 8x squared, and we'll multiply that 8x squared. We'll distribute the 8x squared all the way through the second polynomial. So it's 3 multiplications we're going to do there. And then we'll do the same thing for with the 5x and then with the 9. So starting with 8x squared times 3x squared, well, 8 times 3 will give us 24, and x squared times x squared is x to the 4th. Remember, you add the exponents when you multiply two expressions that have the same base. You add the exponents. All right, now we take the 8x squared times the 4x. Well, 8 times 4 gives us 32, and the x squared times the x gives us x to the 3rd, or x cubed. And then we take the 8x squared times the 7. Well, 8 times 7 is 56, and then we have the x squared. Right? Now that takes care of the 8x squared. Now we do the same thing with the 5x. We take the 5x and we multiply it all the way through the second polynomial. And when we do that, we get, well, 5x times 3x squared. Well, 5 times 3 is 15, and x times x squared would be x cubed. So we're going to have 15x cubed. Let's go write that down right underneath this one, so we have the like terms lined up. And we take the 5x times the next term here, 5x times 4x. Well, 5 times 4 is 20, and x times x is x squared. So we have 20 x squared, lining it up with that x squared term. And then we take the 5x times the 7. Well, 5x times 7 gives us 35x. All right, we still have to do this again, taking the 9 and multiplying it through. Well, kind of running out of room here, so let's clean that up and indicate here the 9 times every term in the second polynomial. Same thing we've done with the other two terms. So we take 9 times 3x squared. Well, 9 times 3 is 27x squared. So we write that 27x squared, again lining it up with the other x squared terms. We take 9 times 4x, which is 36x, and 9 times 7, which is 63. All right, now we just have to add all our like terms together. And they're lined up, so it's a little easier. Just bring this down. There's no other 24 x to the 4th is the only x to the 4th term. X cubed terms, add those together, we're going to get, 47x cubed. Then we want to add up our x squared terms. Well, 56 plus 20 plus 27 gives us 103 x squared plus the 35x and the 36x gives us 71x and plus 63. It's kind of a long problem. We keep all the like terms lined up. It's a little easier. So that's the product.